Hey guys, it's Mike with Pizza in the Sack, and today, unfortunately, I'm not going to be making any pizzas today. We're going to be making some beets. Specifically, we're going to be making the White Clam pizza, famously created by Frank Pepe in New Haven, Connecticut. No sauce, no cheese. We're using clams, garlic, oregano, pecorino, and some olive oil. Super simple, super delicious. We're going to cook it in the Ooni Pro on 100% charcoal. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start our charcoal much as it can handle here. So you always want to start it with the fire lighter as well. We're going to set it right in the front of the Ooni Pro. So when we're cooking with wood, another thing we want to do, we want to make sure the baffle's parallel and the chimney cap is taken off. So right now let's prep our ingredients. We're going to take the clams. These are actually frozen, pre-cooked clams. So we're going to take it out of the shell, super easy. Use your knife to tear out the membrane. Just put it right on the cutting board here. So kind of just repeat as we go here. One of the key features, of course, with fresh garlic. You don't want to go with the pre-packaged stuff. Again, I want this to be nice and garlicky, so I'm going to use pre-cooked cloves of garlic. You can chop it up as coarse or as thick as you like. You can see these clams are whole. Actually, for a better bite, I like to chop them up a little bit. Now, this is my preference. Traditionally, they take them straight, fresh, onto the pie. Some fresh lemon as a garnish after. All right, it's been about 15 minutes now. We're gonna go ahead and look inside the Ooni Pro and see what the deck temperature is. We're gonna be looking for a deck temperature on the stone of roughly around 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Got a 300-gram dough ball here. We're gonna go ahead and use our Ooni bamboo peel to stretch this bad boy out. We're gonna move it back and forth right now. Get rid of some of the excess flour here. Kind of just work it. Now, traditionally on the New Haven clam pies and any New Haven pies, they don't have the big puffy crust. So we can kind of use our fingers to flatten that thing out. Now, depending on your oven, you can go as thin or as big as you like. You can throw it in the air as well. You can use some semolina flour to prevent any sticking. It's really weird not cooking with any sort of red sauce or cheese, like a mozzarella. You always want to make sure the peel is sliding just like a hockey puck. Clams are going to go on first, and then we're going to put some garlic. Again, lots of garlic, oregano. Simple ingredients. It's going to be very, very delicious here. And then we're using fresh pecorino all over this pizza here. And some nice extra virgin olive oil here. Now we're ready to have some fun with this pizza here. Check the stone temp one last time. Right now we're sitting at about 700 on the very back. You want to make sure the pizza's sliding nicely. If it's not, you can add some semolina on the very bottom. And then we're going to shut the door, let this thing cook for about 30 seconds, and then come back and check on it. Since we're not cooking at 900 degrees, this might take up to 3 or 4 minutes to cook today. It's almost been a minute here. So around. I wish you could smell the garlic right now. You can kind of see how it's not a traditional gas or wood-fired pizza. You want that nice char all the way around. Incredible pizza. Look at that, no flop here. I'm gonna finish it with a little bit more pecorino romano. Put a couple lemons on there as well. And look at that. And that was a fun one today. This pizza is incredible. Super simple, super delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't stop eating. This thing right here, you let it cool down for an hour, put a cover on it, you're ready for the next bake. Hope you guys enjoy.